cadaver.
When you go back full in the week.
Yeah.
Who loves an adventure? William,
Is it fast? We go one more
Copy, Vince,
people.
copy.
Percy.
we ready, guys?
Oh.
Roger.
Do we stop?
Will be soon.
You prefer Easter shore or this?
This.
Bra. Told you it's much better.
Oh, is that a body? Is that a 25?
Your brother is going to fix his road in the front or
Over here,
It's fixed, but
Oh.
last week we picked most of them, but when it gets to the cold weather now, they take too long to ripen.
yeah.
And then the rain sort of split them a bit, so maybe in about a week or so there might be another
Okay.
bunch.
Anong bunga?
Yeah, look at these apples.
These are all cherries here under the rain covers on the other sides. So
Cherries na pala dito.
they'll be ready in November. So from November till sort of June we have different fruits available. Yeah, so just depends on the month. Yeah, summer fruit and then now comes into the winter.
That's huge, man.
Yeah,
Who's the owner?
so me, my brother and my mum and dad. So there's four of us.
wow.
I'm on the bus with that.
Wow.
When you get off, guys, there's the Bravo apple, which is the dark purple apple. They'll be just here on your left. There's pink ladies ahead where there's some portable toilets, so they on the left here. And the persimmons are further on at the back of the farm. So if you just keep walking to the
How
end,
many acres?
this one is 50 and 25 down at the other one. So,
Oh.
Here was some pink ladies.
Wait, let's pick up.
Ne idemo dole prvo, pink lady ne piše.
Where's the entrance?
Seoska dance.
Lakal daw. Oh.
Let's get the pink lady, because that's what you guys love eating at home.
Ay, diyan naman. Pink ladies. You wanna go here? May gisa na yun eh.
So makakain mo talaga niya.
Hmm.
Not all kind.
Probaj.
Ang palamig, sapatos ko. Ang ganda-ganda ako.
Hi, Birdie. Can I have your bucket in the Granny Smith.
Ang bayan. Happy din, pwede natin. That's why they opened this one. This one, no?
They're right now.
No. Oh.
Panis kayo ngayon kay Ate Gigi. Oh, Amon. Oh, Amon. Panis kayo. Wala niyo si Turis yan. Oh.
Yun lang, umaambon. Oh, di ba?
Kurang silang tissue. Kainin mo na muna.
Ayaw nyo magdasala ng ano?
Hi! Apple picking! Tapos Percy mo. Ulan.
Ano, green o? Try natin yung green. Bakit yung kumuha ilaw naman kinukuha?
Ayan na. Oh, yan. Pagay mo kung ay karkada din.
Ay.
Tingnan mo mo.
Picture mo yun. Pwede.
Baka yung pala karagul eh. Balo ko din nga po, matangkad li.
Ilang kilo din.
Wait ka mo. Yung pa karakal.
O tara na.
Gamitan mo na yan. How about persimmon? Let's get persimmon.
Pilanin mo kayo, tinanong.
Okay, Lenny. Oh, di ba? Siglado dito. Oh. Dagul dapin din yan eh. Makain na pala ba't yung mabungalan eh. Yes, oy. Yan o. No. No can do. Yung sila oh. Ne? Kasayang daw oh. Aka rin pala yung persimmon oh.
Kaya kabila.
Let's go there. Oh, persimmon.
Ay, kakanagitan ng kutsilyo ko.
Kutsilyo?
Ay, balatan mo na oh. Kaya hindi ka makalibre.
Ah. Okay.
其他的我们先留在这里。
Wanna go here?
Tumakad ka to.
这个你要吗？
It's so cut. It's too far.
Kasi nakasanati ka.
Ayan, naiwan na yun. Lagyan mo na yan. Ayan po, lilipat siya. Menyor cut siya.
我把它推去中间那边，
O yan na.
当然我们要黄灯照。
Yes, daughter.
Ano, katagod lang.
So kami galing apple picking person. Yeah, tila sira.
Kunin mo lo. Wala ka tanga ko ah.
Ayos lang ako. Puto tilang ulan.
Yan. Turn it off. Turn me.
Okay, bye-bye na.
Shortcut. Smile. Shortcut.
Pwede yan.
Hi, turn. Put this one here. Then.
Sagli.
Dapat pala, ating katangkat. Ito mga may pilipat-lipating kat. How about here? Oh, karakaldagin kayo na yun. Pibat ang dano din eh. Dapat magdala kang palang.
Tingko nga gisagyan.
Deme din ah.
Malagwa kasi. 9:40 ka. Pwede ko lang manaya.
Oo. Full day pwede.
Hindi yung malulot na eh. Puri me? Oh, kanante ah.
Sige, ganun te. Parang te mo, why don't you open it?
Kung pa lang ah. Bari lang. Ay. Persimmon ka tawag ko. What's just here?
Wala saan pwede na eh.
What
Ano mo
is
siya mo na yung
Ano
siya na eh.
pwede ah?
Siya mo na eh.
No, it will be. Masayang eh.
Yeah, but Bili niya pa kasi hindi para ka masakitan. Diba?
Tangpala.
Aro! Kaya luman mo yan si... Ay! Wata mo rin na chill natin niya.
Alam mo yan ay. Mayuya.
Ang yan. Okay, hindi ka kuma. Pamuto mo.
Tampalang.
Ayumuya ka na. Ayun tayo.
Sweet. Pwede kaya. Pwede kaya.
Wala na, buya.
Ano? Snail na oh. Mayumoy ni. Dito ako kukuha. Isang mo dyan. Ay! Sobra liit.
Yan nga yun. Ayaw mo na kukunan. Ba?
Mayumoy ba?
Eh, pangyan mo.
Ito lang.
Ikaw. Mabahal mo na yung bagang ko.
Bibidyan mo.
So what? Thanks.
Mayumoy ni. Alright. This.
Kama may tomatong marakal bunga.
Yung busbus din. Yung snail.
Mukha nila pala last day persimmon eh. Hanya mo
Ilang
lapin.
kumengan?
Yan, po na yung... Kanina tanaman din eh. Ay, farm.
Ha?
Sama yung farm ng lolo ko eh. Hapong what?
Lola Penas.
Wait, tamo. Nakaod daw talaga.
Bayo mo talaga yung tray ngayon.
Yeah.
Kasi the first ones are not.
Puta din banda kayo nilang mungkibid ang mayong. Diba? Oo, diba? How much per kilo for persimmon soy?
10.
Ah, mas mahal yan eh.
Apple is 6. Takman mo ah.
Nakumuri yung
Taste it to
persimmon.
believe. May mura na laksi.